The Tesla Model X, introduced in 2015, is a luxury electric SUV that merges high performance with the versatility and practicality of an SUV. Known for its distinctive falcon wing doors, the Model X stands out in both design and functionality. These unique doors not only provide a dramatic visual impact but also enhance accessibility to the second and third rows of seats, even in tight parking spaces. The vehicle's aerodynamic design, coupled with its large glass windshield, offers an expansive view and a sense of openness for passengers. Inside, the Model X is equipped with a high-tech and luxurious interior. It features a 17-inch touchscreen interface that manages most of the vehicle's functions, from navigation to climate control, ensuring a clean and streamlined dashboard. The cabin can be configured to accommodate up to 7 passengers, making it an ideal choice for families. Premium materials, such as leather and sustainable wood accents, enhance the upscale feel of the interior. Performance is a hallmark of the Model X. The Plaid variant, introduced in recent years, offers blistering acceleration, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, rivaling many sports cars. The dual-motor and tri-motor options provide exceptional all-wheel drive capabilities, ensuring superior traction and handling across various driving conditions. With a range exceeding 300 miles on a single charge, the Model X is well-suited for both daily commutes and long road trips. Tesla's extensive supercharger network further facilitates long-distance travel by offering rapid charging solutions. Safety is a top priority for the Model X. It has earned high safety ratings from numerous agencies, thanks to its robust structure and advanced safety features. The low center of gravity, courtesy of the floor-mounted battery pack, enhances stability and reduces rollover risk. Standard safety features include automatic emergency braking, collision avoidance, and adaptive cruise control. The Model X also benefits from Tesla's cutting-edge autonomous driving technology. The Full Self-Driving (FSD) package allows the vehicle to navigate on highways, change lanes, and park autonomously. Regular software updates continuously improve these capabilities, keeping the vehicle at the forefront of innovation. In conclusion, the Tesla Model X combines the luxury and performance of a high-end vehicle with the practicality of an SUV. Its distinctive design, advanced technology, and impressive range make it a standout choice for those seeking a versatile, high-performance electric vehicle. Whether for families or individuals, the Model X offers a compelling blend of style, functionality, and sustainability.